My taxi is taking too long. Jack, have you seen my taxi yet?
No, not yet. What time did you book it?
I booked it for 7 o'clock. It's already 7:15.
That's strange. Did you get a confirmation message?
Yes, I got a text. It said the driver's name is Tom.
Can you check the app? Maybe you can see where the car is.
Good idea. Let me open it. Okay, I see it now. The car is still far away.
How far?
About 4 kilometers. That's really far for 15 minutes.
Maybe there's traffic. It's rush hour right now.
That could be true. There are a lot of cars outside.
Do you have another way to check? Like calling the driver?
Yes, there's a call button. Let me try it. It's ringing. No answer.
Try again in a minute. Maybe he's driving and can't answer.
Okay, I'll wait a little bit.
Where do you need to go, anyway?
I have a meeting downtown at 7:45.
That's not much time left.
I know. I'm getting worried.
Don't worry yet. Let's think about other options.
Like what?
You could try a different ride app, like Ride Now.
Is that app usually faster?
It can be, especially during rush hour with more drivers.
How much does it cost compared to this one?
It might be $1 or $2 more, but it's usually quicker.
That's good to know. Let me check the price real quick. It shows a car 5 minutes away, but it costs $3 more.
Is the extra cost worth saving time for your meeting?
Yes, probably. But let's wait for Tom's answer first.
Try calling the driver one more time.
Okay, I'll call again. Hello? Oh, hi, is this Tom? Yes, I'm the one waiting near the coffee shop. Oh, I see. There's an accident on the main road.
An accident? That explains the traffic.
He says he's stuck and can't move for a while.
Did he say how long?
He's not sure. Maybe 15 or 20 more minutes.
That's too risky for your meeting time.
You're right. I think I should cancel.
Do you want to cancel the ride?
Yes, let me press cancel now. Okay, it's canceled.
Good. Now let's think about the subway.
The subway station is that way, right?
Yes, past the bakery and then turn left.
How much is a subway ticket?
I think it's $2.50 for a single ride.
Do I need exact change?
No, there are ticket machines that take cards too.
That's helpful. I don't have much cash.
Do you know which line to take?
Not really. I usually take taxis downtown.
The blue line goes straight downtown. It takes about 12 minutes.
12 minutes plus 10 minutes walking? That's 22 minutes total.
That should get you there by 7:42.
That's perfect. Just in time.
Let's walk fast then.
Wait, should I bring an umbrella? It looks cloudy.
Good thinking. It might rain later.
Okay, I have one in my bag.
Do you have your subway card, or should we buy a ticket?
I don't have a card. I'll buy a ticket at the machine.
All right, let's go now.
Actually, wait, should I text my coworker about being late?
That's smart, just in case something happens.
Okay, sending a quick message now. Done. I told her I might be a few minutes late.
Good. Now let's hurry to the station.
This is farther than I remembered.
It's just around this corner.
Oh, I see it now. There are a lot of people.
It's rush hour, so the station is always busy.
Which entrance do we use?
This one on the left, it's closer to the blue line platform.
Okay, let's go inside. Where are the ticket machines?
Right there, next to the gates.
Let me try to buy a ticket. It's asking me to select a destination.
Choose Downtown Central. That's your stop.
Found it. Now it's asking for payment.
Just tap your card there.
Okay, done. I got the ticket.
Great. Now let's go through the gate.
Which platform do we need?
Platform 2 for the blue line heading downtown.
I see the sign now. This way. How many stops until downtown?
4 stops. It's not far.
Good. I'm starting to feel better about this.
See, we found a solution.
Thank you for helping me think this through.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
I was really stressed a few minutes ago.
I could tell, but you handled it well.
Oh, the train is coming.
Perfect timing. Let's get on.
Is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead and sit down.
Thanks. My legs are tired from walking fast.
Mine too, but at least we're moving now.
How many minutes left?
About 10 more minutes to your stop.
That gives me time to check my notes for the meeting.
Good idea. Do you have everything you need?
Let me check my bag. Yes, I have my laptop and my notebook.
Great. Sounds like you're ready.
I hope the meeting room isn't hard to find.
Do you know which floor it's on?
I think it's the 5th floor, room 502.
That should be easy to find from the lobby.
I hope so. I've never been to that building before.
You can always ask the front desk for directions.
That's true. I'll do that if I get lost. Oh, this is my stop coming up.
Yes, downtown Central is next.
Thank you so much for coming with me.
Of course. I didn't want you to go alone while you were stressed.
That means a lot to me.
Just text me after the meeting, okay?
I will. Wish me luck.
Good luck. You'll do great.
The train stopped. This is it. Thanks again, Jack. I'll see you later.
See you later, Molly. Good luck with the meeting. Let me know how it goes.
I will text you as soon as it's over.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too. Bye, Jack.
Bye, Molly.